This video is for my friend Wes, who lives near Dublin, Ireland, who asked me recently about the song Fisherman's Blues. Wes is about 4 months into playing guitar, so F chord is unrealistic at this stage to get it. But this song can also be played with a capo on the 5th fret using a D chord. And without moving the third finger, I'm just going to C add 9, 2nd chord, E minor 7, 1 or 2 fingers there, and then across to G. In the recording, it's done with no capo, G, F, A minor, C. But if you listen to this, that gives someone who is not long playing a guitar a great chance to get into songs where there's an F. Many times you can put a capo up a few frets. I know it sounds thinner than the song. But these chords are actually musically correct. And if you're doing this in the context of a group, the other musicians will hopefully give the song the depth that it's in, because most people will be expecting to hear this. Down there. But in the early days, it's great to get at these bigger songs. Also, when you're trying to sing it, trying to change into F too soon will trip you up on the words. So you might also notice in the strum pattern for this, on the 2nd beat and the 4th beat, it was louder. It was kind of 1. A lot of songs would have the accent on the 1st beat, but here it's on 2 and on 4. 1, 2, 4. So it would be a good idea to pause this video just for a second, couple of seconds, and practice that pattern with 1 chord only. And once you've got that pattern in, then you apply to the D chord. 1, 2, 4. C9 or C add 9, same thing. E minor, and G, to look at that rhythm in closer detail, my 1st strum is actually very small. It's around 2 or 3 or 4, it's not all 6. And the 2nd strum is all 6. Can you see the different length in the strum pattern there? Now, so you could pause the video again and try and put all that together. And when it's all together, it should sound like this. Actually, I'll put on this song with it. And that repeats pretty much the whole way through the song. I hope this helps, Wes, and for anyone else learning guitar, I hope it helps you too.